This video is called Why the Heck Did You Press That Button?
So, who put this here? Well, maybe it's cake button?
Mike, how is that a cake button? Why would you think it's a cake button, dude?
I think it could probably be something bad, such as a self-destruct button. Probably enough power to destroy this whole house. What do you think, DJ?
I think it's a dance rave button. I mean, what kind of waste is it just to take me out here just for a stupid button that does nothing? Wait. Better yet, what if it makes you more uglier than you already are?
Well, it's gotta do something, right? I mean, who would just leave something like this? Well, perhaps it's best if we don't touch it. If we learn more about it, we must need to know what exactly can it do, which means for one specific reason.
Larry, you must not touch it.
Oh, don't take this the wrong way, but it's just that you're not the type of squid who would actually, you know.
Huh? Mike, he means it's stupid.
No! Hey, nothing happened.